Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Space for Repairs. Today we're looking at the D handle which fits onto a sliding patio door. When we display the handle on the website with the screw holes showing, some customer clients are asking us, how do we get hold of the opposite handle? Well, it's relatively straightforward. On this particular model, there are some bolt heads at the back of the handle, which you simply unscrew and then reverse the handle and then reaffix. This device is either way. I hope that's helped, and thanks again for watching. Bye for now.